Her. Alright. Come on, Jade.
Go.
Come on, baby.
Go. Go first.
Come on, Jade, come on. Oh, it's probably blurry. Look at all these no's we get. Now go potty, honey. Go potty, little baby.
Go potty.
Ready? Go.
Go potty.
She's like, oh my god, I'm drowning. She must be cold. Do it again over there. Come on, go swimming again.
She doesn't want to go near me.
Go swimming go swimming in the snow. Yeah. Daddy was being mean, huh? Yeah, Daddy's being mean.
Whatever.
Daddy's being mean, huh? Come on, let's go over here. Go poop. Wanna go?
I think you scarred her for life.
She doesn't want to go. She doesn't want to poop now, too.
She's got to poop sometime.
Oh. You already showered, it's okay. Ready? Come here.
She's stuck.
Are you stuck? Come on,
She's
baby.
stuck.
Come on. Yes, yes. Trooper. Yeah. Good job. Let's go.